How to add an app to a Samsung Smart TV. Setting up a Samsung account. When organizing a Samsung TV for the primary time, arrange a Samsung account. From the house display, choose Settings greater than Normal greater than System Supervisor greater than Samsung Account greater than Create Account. You'll be able to create your Samsung account utilizing your electronic mail tackle, or log in with a FB or PayPal account. For fashions sooner than 2017, open Settings from the house display, then choose System Settings Samsung Account. In case your TV would not have these choices, like for 2010 Mannequin 12 months Samsung Sensible TVs, it's important to first create a Samsung Apps account on the Samsung Apps website. How you can log into your account on the TV. Logging into your Samsung account on the TV helps you to enter apps that require cost for content material or gameplay. Press the menu/123 button in your distant. Choose Menu from the higher left-hand nook of the display. Choose Good Hub greater than Samsung Account greater than Signal In. Enter your electronic mail tackle and password. Choose Signal In once more. Select a picture to differentiate your account from any others. Choose Achieved. The Netflix app may no longer work on 2010 and 2011 Samsung Smart TVs. In case your TV is affected, you will note a Discover displayed in your display. Accessing and utilizing apps, 2015 to current. Starting in 2015, Samsung integrated the Tizen operating system as the muse of the Good Hub interface to enter all TV features, together with how Samsung apps are displayed and accessed. While you flip the TV on, the house menu is displayed throughout the underside of the display. If not, push the House or Good Hub button in your distant. Totally different fashions use totally different buttons. The House, Good Hub, display, gives entry to common TV settings, sources, bodily connections, cable, satellite TV for PC service, and an internet browser. As well as, preloaded apps are additionally displayed, for example, Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu, in addition to a range labeled apps. Choose Apps to enter a full screen show of the preloaded apps in My Apps, with hyperlinks to different classes like What's New, Most Common, Video, Way of Life, and Leisure. The classes embrace preloaded and prompt apps you can obtain, set up, and place on the house display choice bar. If you happen to are on the lookout for an app that is not on the listing, you'll be able to see if it is accessible within the Samsung Apps retailer utilizing the search characteristic, which is situated on the highest proper nook of any of the app menu screens. If you happen to discover your required app, you'll be able to set up it by following the identical steps outlined above. If you happen to see an app in one of many classes that you just would like so as to add to your My Apps class, choose that app's icon. After you choose the app, you may be taken to the setup web page for that app, which gives data on what the app does, in addition to some pattern screenshots displaying how the app works. To get the app, choose Setup. Most apps will be downloaded and put in without spending a dime, however some require a price, and a few free apps require an extra subscription or pay-per-video charges to enter content material. If any cost is required, you may be prompted to supply that data. After the app is put in, you may be prompted to open it. If you happen to do not need to open the app after putting in, you'll be able to open it later. Different methods to enter streaming apps on Samsung TVs. One alternate solution to enter streaming apps is by way of the TV's built-in internet browser. Nonetheless, Samsung may block some channels, and the browser would not assist some digital media file formats wanted to stream content material. Samsung apps on TVs from 2011 to 2014. Samsung launched the Good Hub TV interface in 2011, making a number of tweaks between 2011 and 2014. However, accessing apps and account setup is basically the identical as talked about above. The Good Hub menu, accessible by way of the Good Hub button on the distant, consists of a full display, which shows your at the moment seen TV channel in a small field, whereas the remainder your TV settings and content material choices, together with Samsung apps, are displayed on the remaining portion of the display. The Apps menu is split into a number of sections, together with really useful apps. Most common. What's new? There's additionally an extra video games apps menu. With 2011 fashions, the Samsung app dwelling display shows the apps by class, video, way of life, and sports activities. Like with the 2015 by way of 2019 fashions, you'll be able to seek for extra apps by way of the search operate. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.